Room 43. It's Miss Tracy again. We are going to continue on our continents lessons. Today we're going to do the lesson on Asia. Let's look at all of our continents and see if we can find Asia. First, let's see which ones we've already found. We've already found Africa. Can we find Africa? Africa is the big green one right here. Africa. Africa. Good job. We found Africa. Now let's find Antarctica. Antarctica. We found that one. It is here. Antarctica. Good job. And then next, we already found Australia. Australia. There we go. Which one is Australia? It's this purple one. Good. Australia. Good job. So now we need to find Asia. Asia is the big yellow one. Circle Asia. The big yellow one. Good job. Now we're going to look for the words that say Asia. We need to find the ones that are Asia. A-S-I-A. Asia. Asia. Good. Where do we see Asia? I see Asia here. A-S-I-A. Circle Asia. Good. And here is also Asia. Circle Asia. Asia. Good job. All right, let's find them again. Where are the words Asia? On the next page. Looking for A-S-I-A. Asia. I see an Asia here. Asia. Asia. I see two more. Do you see two more? Look at the bottom. Asia. Circle Asia. Good job. Asia. And one more here. Circle Asia. Asia. Great job. Now we're going to trace and write the words Asia. Get your marker. And on your page, trace the word Asia. Asia. Good. 4 times. A-S-I-A. Asia. Good. Asia. Good job. Then turn the page and write Asia 3 times. 3 times. Remember, it's A with a big A. A. S. I. A. Asia. Right. A. S. I. A. Asia. Good job. Nice job, Room 43. Finish your work. Go back and do anything you missed if I went too fast. Bye-bye.